Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, what I do on a weekly basis is menu plan for my family. At some point, maybe for April, I'll menu plan for the entire month. Let me know if you would be interested in that in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe. So I have all of my essentials in front of me. I have my Inkwell Press Planner, my Inkwell Press Planner insert, my recipes that my family loves, and it's just some additional ones on the back. And these are mostly, I don't want to say winter friendly recipes, but kind of like winter friendly recipes, nice and hearty recipes that we could have. So I typically, what I do is look at my planner to see what I have going on. For this week, actually the upcoming week, I actually do not have anything going on that would interfere with what we're having for dinner. And I've been super busy. I haven't even been able to like really get into my planner for March. This last week just has been crazy as far as meals go, as far as planning. But I'm trying to get back on track so I can fill up my planner with just, you know, stuff that needs to take place. But without further ado, let's get started on my meal planning process. All right, I have my pen ready and I have the menu plans that we've been using for the last couple of weeks, just to give me an idea, and this is a blank one, just to give me an idea of what we've been having. I finally did make the chicken and stuffing, which they loved, but they love it all the time. It's one of their favorite meals. That week is the week of the 11th. So this is what my menu plan is looking like so far. So we're having the fried fish and french fries for Monday. Mondays are typically really busy for me, so I just need to make something that doesn't require me to be in the kitchen all day. We may end up having the stuffed shells, but we shall, because the stuffed shells, I already have it pre-made and we could just put it in the oven. Jerk chicken with yellow rice and veggies. I make a jerk chicken. It's like my version of jerk chicken. The mister is Jamaican, but it's my version. He likes it. My son likes it. They think it's like really, really good. I'm going to make that, and you can put this in a crock pot or you can actually put it in the oven. I tend to make it in the oven. We need shrimp. We're going to have shrimp Alfredo with garlic bread. My family's like not really into having the salads on the side, so I don't even bother anymore. For Friday, we're going to have fried chicken wings and french fries, and for Saturday and Sunday, the mister is going to take care of the meals. This may mean that I may make a baked ziti, I may make a baked stuffed shells, who knows, but I know this is not my problem. Is that like mean to say? This is not my problem. Saturday, Sunday is not my problem. I do cook at least 4 days a week. They do not eat pork or beef, so that's why you see that the varieties are like typically seafood or some type of poultry meat. So now we have to work on the grocery list. For the fried fish, we actually do need seafood. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do catfish because they do like the catfish nugget, or let's see. So I'm just going to put fish, because that can be whitings, anything. And we need french fries, so the frozen. Stuffed shells, we do need garlic bread. So I am going to need grains, yellow rice. And then we have the shrimp Alfredo. I have the garlic bread already. And then for the fried chicken wings, we need the fried. I actually do need chicken wings. All right, so what I typically do is just refer back to each item. And the best way to do this is to look at each item. What do I need for the fried fish? Do I have the fried fish? Do I have the french fries? And then I just flip it over and add it to this, because if I try to like just look at everything all at once and then flip it over, a lot of times it's a lot harder, but it works out when I just do each day by day. Right now, the weekend, I know I'm not cooking breakfast or lunch at all this weekend, and during the week there's no days off. He had a snow day on the 4th. Unless it's a snow day, I'll make breakfast, but as of right now, we do not have any snow days. So this is it. Really greatly appreciate you guys watching this video. If you would like, again, to see how I menu plan for the month, please let me know in the comment section. I look forward to chatting with you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.